Question 11. The first term of a geometric progression GP is 3 and the fifth term is 48. Find the common ratio. This question is a GP and we have to think in that manner. So what do we have in the question? The first thing you want to do is extract all the parameters from the question. So T1 is usually A, and it is what in this question? It is given as 3. The fifth term, T5, has a formula. What's the formula? AR4. Okay, it's always AR. Remember, it's always ARN minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is what gives us the 4 there, and the value there is 48. Now, so what formula do we use in solving this question? We've extracted everything. I can clearly see here that with this formula, the fifth term formula, AR4 is equals to 48. I have everything I need. My A is here as 3, and all I need is just R. Okay, so I have 3 times R to power 4 is equals to 48. Now the next thing is I want to make R stand alone, right? That's, we call it making R subject of formula. So 3 is here and 4 is here. Which one do we take out first? Power of 4 is a stronger bond than multiplication, so multiplication goes first. Students make the mistake of trying to solve this first. Please, that is the wrong order. So we divide both sides by 3, and this 3 will cancel here, and 3 goes into 48 is 16. Okay, let's just do it. 1 is left, and that is 6. Is that okay? So R to power 4 is equals to 16. Now the next thing is to remove this 4 here. There are many ways to do it, but let's start with this way. Now all I have to do is express 16 to a power of 4. What is that? 2 to power 4. So that way I can just strike this out, and my R is equals to 2, and that is the final answer, and that is option A. But let's look at this place again. R4 to power 16. I might just choose to do this. R4 goes over here and becomes the 4th root. Punch your calculator, the answer is 2. It doesn't matter. Which is still the same thing as this. I send 4 over here, it becomes 16 raised to power what? 1 over 4. It's still the same thing. And all I have to do is express 16 as a power of 4, and that is 2 to power 4. Multiplied by that 1 over 4 that was already here, and it cancels it out, and the answer still remains 2. Whichever method is okay by you.